All hail Twee, the king of AI assistants for English teachers. Over the past few months, I have trained several English language teachers, and there is one app in particular that everyone is amazed with, Twee. Therefore, in this video, I'll show you how to create complete lessons in just a few minutes with half the usual effort using Twee. Let's roll. This is Twee's interface. There is a menu bar on top and the work area is at the bottom. This is where all the magic happens. Suppose I have this Halloween event in my school and I want the students to familiarize themselves on the topic. The first thing I gotta do is obviously introduce the topic. To do so, I'll head over to the speaking category and click the lead-in activities for some warm-up exercises. Twee automatically creates a new project. From this point on, I have several options. I can input a full text or just a single sentence, an image which is impressive or an article found online. In this case, I want something related to Halloween. So I'll type and click the Do the Magic button, which is essentially a cool way to label the Generate button. As you can see, the AI returned 3 really great suggestions for activities for the classroom. If you didn't like Twee's suggestions, you can try again by clicking the Generate button once more. This is much better. Now that I've got the students' attention and introduced the topic, I want them to explore it further. What better way other than watching a video about Halloween? But I hear you say, Twee doesn't let you create videos. I know! That's why I'll use another tool to help me generate the video. But first things first. First I need a script. So in the speaking category, I'll select the Find Facts tool. Within this field, I'll type Halloween festivities and select my student's level. Let's say it's A2. And here are some key Halloween facts. But this isn't the script just yet. I'll go to the Create Text tool found in the Reading category and type Halloween festivities again. Now, I'll utilize what I got previously from the Find Facts tool. I'll copy and paste the key phrases from each sentence within the target vocabulary field, as well as add any extra words I would like to be incorporated within the new text. I'll leave the genre to text, choose the preferred length, as well as the student's level, and then hit the Do the Magic button. Nice! The AI generated a text based on my instructions. Let's check if the target vocabulary is indeed there. I'll click the View Options button over here and then activate the Highlight Vocabulary option. It seems that everything is in place. Now, it's time to bring the script to life by converting it into a video. For this task, I'll be utilizing another freemium tool called InVideo. To create a video, first I need to click here, but I won't paste the text yet. Instead, I'll opt for the script to video option below. I'll copy the text that Twee created and paste it here. I'll click Continue, and next I'll hit Generate. I can adjust these options to my liking. And brace yourselves because it's gonna take some time till the process is over. And after a few minutes, the video is good to go and I'm ready to export it and present it to my classroom. Let's watch it.
It has ancient roots and is connected to the Celtic festival of Samhain when people lit bonfires and wore costumes to ward off ghosts. Today, Halloween is a fun and spooky holiday for kids and adults alike. One of the most popular activities during Halloween is wearing costumes. People often dress up as ghosts, witches, superheroes.
Okay, pretty nice. Now I have a video for the students to watch. After the students have watched the video, I want us to discuss what they have just witnessed to elicit their understanding. So, still in the Reading category, I'll select the Open Questions tool. Once more, I'll paste the copied text or script if you like that Twee generated earlier. And there you go, several questions related to my topic that can be discussed within the classroom after watching the video. Now I need to set up the worksheet or homework activity if you like. I'll copy all the text and the facts that Twee generated and put them into a document which I will then share with my classroom. But a worksheet without practice exercises is incomplete. Therefore, I'll go to the reading category and select the type of exercise I want them to engage with. Since I despise true-false questions, I'll go for multiple choice ones. For some reason, Twee has named the multiple choice exercise as ABCD questions. Anyway, I'll paste my copied text here and ask the AI to generate the questions for me. The questions seem okay. I believe I need another exercise for my worksheet. I'm looking for a fill-in-the-blank activity, but I don't want to reuse the same text as before. So, first I'll head over to the text tool and request a new text to be created. This time, my topic will be: how do adults and kids celebrate Halloween in the USA? Obviously using the same target vocabulary as earlier. I'll paste the target vocabulary, hit the magic button, and just like that, I got a new text that I can use. I'll copy the AI-generated text and head over to the vocabulary section, where I'll select the fill-in-the-gap tool. I'll paste the text into the field and simply select the word I want the students to practice. Each selected word will then become a gap for the students to fill in. And with these two exercises and a few tweaks here and there, I can safely say that my lesson's ready. Nice and easy. Oh, and I almost forgot this. I have to prepare a short test for the next lesson. I want it to contain maybe 2 matching activities. Let's start with the first one. I'll try the matching halves tool. I'll paste one of the 2 texts I created earlier, and all I need to do is click on the spaces between the words within a sentence to divide it into 2 parts. I'll select some semi-random sentences and see what I'll get. Nice. Okay, the first exercise for my test is good to go. For the word definition exercise, I'll obviously go for the word definition matching. What better words to choose than the target vocabulary I defined earlier? So I'll copy and paste it here. And my second exercise is also good to go. I almost missed 2 cool functions, exporting and sharing. Check this. You can download the full list of activities we created for this particular project in PDF or Google Forms format. The option to include answers is great because it lets you create practice worksheets without the solutions, make them perfect for self-study or quizzes. There is also the share button, which allows you to share the whole project with other teachers. By the way, you can find a link to this particular project in the video's description. Twee is a powerful tool that can also create content from videos. Check this. Suppose that the lesson's topic is about artificial intelligence and I have just come across an interesting video on YouTube which I want to turn into an engaging activity or lesson for my C1 level students. Naturally, the first thing I need to do is draw their attention to the topic. So I won't present the video just yet. Instead, I'll use an argument from authority. I'll go to the writing tab and choose the famous quote tool. I'll type my topic, and simple as that, I got several quotes from famous people related to artificial intelligence. I'll present a quote of my choice to the class and ask my students to think about it, or even better, discuss it. The next thing I'll have them do is obviously watch the video. But just watching the video is not enough. Therefore, to turn it into a lesson, I'll copy the video's link and then go back to Twee. I'll find the audio and video discussion questions in the speaking category. There, I'll paste the link I copied and adjust the level to C1, C2. Awesome! I now have a range of questions at my disposal to elicit my students' opinions on the video they have just watched. Okay, but how can I help the students better grasp the topic? Obviously, I need them to write about it, but I want them to practice specific vocabulary. So, to get ideas for related vocabulary, I'll choose the link words with sentences within the writing tab. I'll type what's the topic about and click the generate button. Now, I have not only ideas for target vocabulary, but also a creative writing exercise to assign to my students. But let's identify the target vocabulary first. I'll go to the word definition matching in the vocabulary tab. Based on the words I received from the previous tool, I will now insert the ones I prefer into this field and adjust the level. Now, I have my target vocabulary with its definitions as well as an exercise for my students. Obviously, this exercise needs to be done before asking them to create their own sentences. Therefore, I'll click this button over here to move it upwards. Finally, I would like to give them a writing assignment to complete as homework using the target vocabulary. In the Writing tab, I can find the Creative Writing tool. This tool will propose several writing tasks for the students. To use it, I'll simply paste the vocabulary I want the students to practice, the topic, and their level. And as instructed, the AI generated 3 writing tasks I can assign to the students. Note that the free plan has a 5-minute limit on the length of the videos you can use. This means that for longer videos, you'll need to select a specific 5-minute segment to work with. However, this is not the case with the Pro version I'm using. I am clarifying this because, as I said in the introduction, Twee is freemium. As a result, some of the tools I demonstrated might be outside the free plan. Thankfully for you, the Twee lads provided me with an affiliate code for the Pro version that offers a 20% discount. By using this code, you can subscribe to Twee for only $5.99 per month for the annual plan, or opt for the monthly plan at $9.56 per month. Not only you will be supporting the channel, but you'll also get a fantastic teaching assistant at a lower price. You can find the code and link in the video's description. There are many tools available in Twee for creating lesson plans or activities. However, as I wanted this guide to be comprehensive and fast, I couldn't include everything in these sample lessons. This was Twee, the king of AI teaching assistants for English teachers. So, what do you think? Is Twee really the king, or there is another claimant to the throne? Let me know in the comments below. Obviously, there are certain things that Twee can't do. For example, generate AI images to make your worksheets look even better. If you want to see a new, free AI image generator, as well as a method for creating outstanding AI images, then do not miss the link shown on your screen. Till the next time, see you!